Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today's topic is again numerical. Today we will understand the concept, basic concept and some basic questions for boat and stream. Boat and stream, I must say, one of the most common topic in the country for competitive exams. We must know it, we must understand it, and we are going to do the same with the help of this video. Let us proceed to our video now. As I told you, port and stream concept is one of the most common topic based on which questions are asked in various government exams, various competitive exams in this country. And these questions are asked in quantitative aptitude kind of sections in these exams and do carry a great amount of weightage. In this video, we will discuss the boat and stream topic, concept, tips to solve the questions, important formulas, and some questions to have a better understanding of the topic. Let us just understand the concept first, very basic concept. What do we mean by the term boat and stream or upstream, downstream, which is very commonly used in questions? See, this is a boat. The boat is going in this direction and the water is flowing in this direction. Then we will call it upstream. The speed of the boat will be called going to upstream. And the boat is going in this direction and the stream's flow, the water's flow is also in this direction. Then we will call it downstream. So upstream going against the current and downstream going in the direction of the current. Now we need to know some terms. These terms are still water, stream, upstream, downstream. Still water, the water of the river in any or any other water body which is not flowing is known as still water. Of course, as the name says, if the water is very still, not moving at all, we will call it still water. And the stream is the flow of water. If water is flowing with some speed in any of the direction, that we will call stream. And upstream, as I told you, the boat of a swimmer or a swimmer moving against the steam is known as moving upstream, that is against the flow, against the current. And downstream, the boat or a swimmer moving along the stream in the direction of the stream is known as moving downstream, that is along the flow of the river. So this is downstream and this is upstream. Let us understand the formula now. The speed of the boat or swimmer against the stream is known as stream upstream, that we know. It is given by speed at upstream x minus y kilometer per hour, and the same way downstream is known as x plus y kilometer per hour. Let us understand the formula. Formula के पीछे basics हैं क्या आगे? Suppose the speed of your boat was x kilometer per hour and the speed of the stream is taking you in the opposite direction is y kilometer per hour. Then we will subtract y from x and that will be the speed of the boat. Suppose the speed of the boat was 20 kilometer per hour और आपका वाटर फ्लो हो रहा है ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में 2 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर, देन ऑफ कोर्स वो आपकी बोट की स्पीड को 2 किलोमीटर्स कम कर देगा. सो द फॉर्मूला इज 20 minus 2 and the same thing becomes 20 plus 2 here, 20 plus 2 because your boat is going with the speed of 20 suppose, and your stream is also moving with the speed of 2. Some speed is there of the stream as well. तो स्ट्रीम की स्पीड में बोट की स्पीड ऐड हो जाएगी बिकॉज अगर आप उसी डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हैं और आपको एक और सपोर्ट भी मिल रहा है स्पीड का, तो उतनी ही स्पीड आपकी स्पीड में ऐड हो जाएगी. इट विल बिकम 22 किलोमीटर पर आवर दिस टाइम, बट इट विल बी रिड्यूस्ड बाय 2 किलोमीटर. इन द केस ऑफ अपस्ट्रीम इट विल बिकम 18 किलोमीटर पर आवर. If you are given downstream as well and upstream as well and you are asked कि speed boat की still water में क्या होती, then this is the formula. Upstream and downstream को add करना है और उसका average, उसका half will be our answer of speed of boat in still water. And we are given speed downstream and upstream and we are to derive the speed of stream. पहले हम स्पीड ऑफ बोट डिराइव कर रहे थे. अगर हमें स्पीड ऑफ स्ट्रीम डिराइव करनी है, दैट विल बी स्पीड डाउनस्ट्रीम, जो कि ज्यादा होगी ऑफ कोर्स, माइनस स्पीड अपस्ट्रीम, उसका एवरेज, उसका हाफ, दैट विल बी द स्पीड ऑफ स्ट्रीम. Let us understand the same keeping the previous example in mind. हमने क्या किया था? Speed of boat is 20 and speed of stream is 2. तो upstream के केस में हमारी स्पीड आती 18 और downstream के केस में हमारी स्पीड आती 22. Right? The speed in the case of downstream and the speed in the case of upstream. अब मान लीजिए कि हमें सिर्फ डाउनस्ट्रीम और अपस्ट्रीम दिया गया है एंड वी आर टू कैलकुलेट द स्पीड ऑफ बोट इन स्टिल वाटर विच वी ऑलरेडी नो इज 20, क्योंकि हमने ये क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी किया है. तो हम इसको सॉल्व कैसे करेंगे? 22 प्लस 18 दैट विल बी 40. 40 का हाफ दैट इज डिवाइडेड बाय 2, ऑफ कोर्स वी विल गेट 20. And if we are to derive the speed of stream, then what we will do? We will do 22 minus 18 this time, because downstream minus upstream, which will give us answer 4 divided by 2, that is 2. We already know. So this is how we will reach for the speed of stream and speed of boat and speed of stream if we are given downstream speed and upstream speed. Let us go for this very simple question at present. The speed of the boat in still water is 5. राइट, हम स्पीड ऑफ द बोट भी लिख सकते हैं इसको. एंड स्पीड ऑफ द बोट इन अपस्ट्रीम यानी कि अगेंस्ट द करंट इज 3. देन ऑफ कोर्स द स्पीड ऑफ द करंट, स्पीड ऑफ द स्ट्रीम और करंट, एनीथिंग यू कैन राइट. स्पीड ऑफ द करंट और स्ट्रीम ऑफ स्पीड ऑफ द स्ट्रीम will be of course 2. Right? This was quite simple. This was just a kind of ice breaking. Now we will move to further questions. Now here we will apply the formula which we just learned. A man rows downstream at 20 km per hour and rows upstream at 15 km per hour. At what speed he can row in still water? So still water की speed निकालने के लिए हमारे पास क्या formula था? Half of the speed of upstream plus speed of downstream. So we'll just add both of these speeds, 20 plus 15, and we will get 35. 35 divided by 2 will give us the answer 17.5. This question is a bit tricky, but we will solve it. A man swims 12 km downstream and 10 km upstream. If he takes 2 hours each time, what is the speed of the stream? Same stream में ही एक person ने 12 km downstream स्विम किया, 10 किलोमीटर अपस्ट्रीम स्विम किया और 2 घंटे लगे हर बार. व्हाट इज द स्पीड ऑफ द स्ट्रीम? सबसे पहले हम स्पीड डाउनस्ट्रीम और स्पीड अपस्ट्रीम निकाल लेंगे. स्पीड डाउनस्ट्रीम 12 किलोमीटर थे और 2 आवर्स लगे, तो स्पीड डाउनस्ट्रीम ऐसे लिख लेते हैं हम इसको. डाउनस्ट्रीम की स्पीड विल बी 12 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, दैट विल बी 6 किलोमीटर पर आवर, और अपस्ट्रीम की स्पीड हमारी होगी 10 divided by 2, that is 5 km per hour. This much is clear. 12 km downstream गए थे, 2 घंटे लगे थे, speed will be 6. 10 km upstream गए थे, 2 घंटे लगे थे, speed will be 5. अब देखिए स्पीड ऑफ द स्ट्रीम का फॉर्मूला क्या था, हमने अभी समझा था थोड़ी देर पहले. हाफ ऑफ द डाउनस्ट्रीम स्पीड माइनस अपस्ट्रीम स्पीड. अगर हमें स्पीड ऑफ द बोट निकालना होता है तो हम प्लस करके हाफ करते हैं, लेकिन स्पीड ऑफ द स्ट्रीम निकालना होता है तो माइनस करके हाफ करते हैं. तो यहाँ पर हमारा आंसर होगा हाफ ऑफ 6 minus 5, that is half of 1. Of course it will be 0.5. Option B will here be the right answer. Now this question, a man can row a boat at speed of 20 km per hour if the water is still. And if the speed of the stream is 5 km per hour, in what time he can row a distance of 75 km downstream? So the question here is कि 20 km तो उनकी स्पीड थी और 5 km हमारे स्ट्रीम की स्पीड थी, तो उनकी स्पीड हो गई 25. Any trouble in this? I hope not. तो हम देखेंगे कि बोट की स्पीड डाउनस्ट्रीम में है क्या. तो डाउनस्ट्रीम में बोट की स्पीड हो गई 25 एंड ही इज सपोज टू गो 75 किलोमीटर। 75 किलोमीटर का डिस्टेंस उन्हें ट्रेवल करना है। वी नो द formula speed is equal to distance upon time and time is equal to distance upon speed, right? So time उन्हें कितना लगेगा? Distance हमारा है 75 and speed is 25. Why 25? Because we added 20 and 5. हमें downstream में टाइम निकालना है। यही टाइम हमें अपस्ट्रीम में निकालना होता तो हम 20 माइनस 5 दैट इज 15 करते, तब हमें 75 को 15 से डिवाइड करना पड़ता। अभी हम 75 को 25 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो वी विल रीच टू द आंसर 3. ऑप्शन डी हियर इज द राइट आंसर. Now I'm giving you some easy assignment questions. You can solve it and give your answers in comments. A boat can travel with a speed of 13 km per hour in still water. If the speed of the stream is 4 km, find the time taken by the boat to go 68 km downstream. It is the replica of the question. Just figures are changed. Replica of the question that we just did. Question number 2 of your assignment. In 1 hour, a boat goes 11 km per hour along the stream and 5 km per hour against the stream. The speed of the boat in still water. You need to use a formula to derive it. Please reach to this answer too. Now this question a bit tricky one, लेकिन आप थोड़ा सा ध्यान देंगे तो solve हो जाएगा. A man can row 5 km in still water if the speed of current is 1 km per hour and it takes him 1 hour to row to a place and come back. How far is the place? When he goes and when he is back, the distance remains the same. This is the hint to solve this question. We will continue the series to understand the basic numerical concepts and to cover the topics in detail, and for extensive practice, you may join the classes. The link to contact us for admission has been given in description. Thanks a lot for watching. Best of luck for your exams, and please do not forget to share and subscribe the channel.